What is going on, everybody? I'm going to be doing a video breaking down my gold trade that I did close this morning of $300 in profit, and as well as $1,700 on my challenge account. So overall, $2,000 gain all over my portfolio. I do want to have an announcement for my Telegram chat that I did launch. Anybody can join. It's free. You can go down in the description below. I'll have the link in there. You can connect with other traders, pass around trade ideas, and as well as just talk to people in the space so you don't feel alone in that trading journey here. So getting into gold on the weekly time frame here, as you can see, very bullish. We do have a bullish variation here. We have bearish, bullish, and another bullish engulfing this right here, showing that there is more power to the upside. So I was looking for buys in my bias here, going down to the daily time frame, trying to keep it as simple as possible here for you. We do have a close above here, as you can see here. Another bullish engulfing here, showing that on all higher time frames, buyers coming to the market really heavy, and we can expect buys. You never want to go against the trend because, as people say, trend is your friend. On here, going down to the 4-hour time frame, what I did see, saw price coming up, breaking these highs right here, coming up, coming back down, rejecting with this candlestick. So this one right here was my indication that the buyers were coming in and sellers are not. So I'm not going to enter based off of this 4-hour time frame. I'm going to go into a lower time frame to find my entry, to be very precise. This is how I trade all of my trades as of right now. I am going to be posting a video on how I see the market, how I take trades, and how I'm going to keep my profitability. I am documenting most of my trades on my account. I do post a lot of my trade ideas and trades I'm basically potentially going to take on the Telegram chat. If you want to be in there, you can see that as well. And also ask me questions on why I enter and what I see in the market in coming futures. Coming here, so what I did see at around 8:30, we did have a big rejection here. This was my first confirmation that it's ready for buys. Second one, you see this here, the close above this bearish candlestick, showing a bullish engulfing. So that is my first trade opportunity. I took a trade, put stops below support. I'm not going to put it on this wick because I believe I was just kind of market volatility here. So this was my actual support around in this area. Put stops below that. And from there, I was in drawdown for probably 30 minutes. And right after that, shot up. During this trade time, during Asian session, a lot of consolidation. As you can see here, I was kind of thinking, all right, well, should I exit this trade? Should I move my stops to break even? There's a lot of things that are going on in my head. During this moment, I just wanted to be able to hold that trade. I was very confident that the buyers are going to come in and take out all those sellers. So the price was going to move up ultimately. So after holding for about 12 hours and 30 minutes, the next morning, which was this morning here, at around 5 a.m., I saw this huge wick to the downside, almost stopping me out in my break even, because after I got to a 1 to 2, which is up here, I moved my stop to break even, which I do for most of my trades, depending on how I feel about the market conditions. I came down, almost stopped me out. I held, I didn't close based off emotion, because I know if the trade's going to go the opposite way, I'm just going to let it go in that way, so I could stick to my trade plan. So after that, volatility kicked in, and boom, went all the way up here. So in about 1 hour, I basically saw my TP was taken all the way at the top. As you can see as well, price did continue on. I was very satisfied with this trade because I wasn't greedy. I didn't get out based off of emotion. I stuck to my trading plan and I closed when I needed to. Other than that, I mean, emotions is probably like a 1 out of 10 since I stuck to my trading plan. I have noticed in a lot of my trading that as long as you stick with it, your emotions won't come into it, and you'll have a higher profitability because you're not trading based off emotion, you're trading logically, and you'll make better decisions that way. I'm gonna keep it very simple. That's what it was. If you guys have any comments, please put it down below. Join that Telegram chat if you have any more questions about your trading or about my trading. I'd love to answer them. Also follow me on Instagram down below. Put that in the comments as well. I hope you guys have a great rest of your trading week and stay blue.